Okay, I've got this Canon ZR60 mini DV camcorder. Everything about it works great except when you try to eject by opening the door here, it only comes out part way, makes a bit of a grinding sound, then it just pulls itself back in. So I can't put tapes in, and to play them back, I have a bunch of DV tapes that I'd love to at least transfer off to DVD, but this will not load. Just wondering if anybody knows, is there some simple fix I can use? I can use a screwdriver and stuff, and I know electronics pretty well, but it'd be great if there was something I could do to get this working, just to repeat the problem. It's like there's either something sticking or a gear that's stripped or something, but I'd love to be able to spare myself from having to buy a camera just to offload all my DV tapes, but mini DV. If anybody knows, let me know. Thank you.